Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of NetBeans IDE. Also, I will be showing you how to run first Java program using it. So let's start the video. So before installation of NetBeans IDE, I will be showing you installation of Java JDK because for running Java program we need JDK. So let me show you installation of Java JDK. You can open any of your favorite browser and just type JDK download. And here you can see it is showing the official website oracle.com. Just click on the link Java download. Okay, it has redirected me to the download page and here it is showing me Java 18 and 17. So I'm going to take Java 18 for Windows machine. So just click on Windows tab. So here archive file as well as installers are available. So I will be taking this third option MSI installer and I'm going to click on this link for downloading it. Okay, so my download has been started. The file size is 152 MB. It is not going to take more time. So let's wait. Okay, so my download is done. Now I am going to click on this MSI to start my installation. Okay, it is asking me to run. Yes, I will run. Let me minimize my browser. Here I will click on next button. Okay, here it is showing me the installation directory, that is C:program file Java. Inside that JDK 18.0.2.1. So this will be my installation directory. If you want to change, you can click on this change button. I'm keeping the default one and I'll click on next button. Okay, so it is asking me permission. I'm going to click on yes button. And now my installation has been started. Okay, so here it's showing me Java JDK installation is successfully done. I'm going to click on close button. Okay, installation of JDK is done. Now we have to set the path into the environmental variable. So I'll just go to my C drive and in that I'm going to program files. In that I will go to Java JDK and here I will go to bin folder and I'm going to copy this path. And now in search you can just type env and just open your environmental variables. And now here we have to click on environmental variables under advanced tab. And here you can see there is one variable available path. We need to edit this variable and in this we have to add path of our JDK. So just click on edit button and here click on new button and now add the path of JDK which you have copied and click on OK button. Also we will be creating one more new variable Java_home. So for that you need to click on new and here create the variable Java_home and here you paste the path but it should be until JDK 18.0.2.1 and then click on OK button and again click on OK button and one more time click on OK button. Okay, after setting the path of Java JDK, now we will install NetBeans. I'm going to open my browser and here I'm going to search for NetBeans download. Okay, now here it is showing me the official website of NetBeans, that is netbeans.apache.org. I'm going to click on this link. Okay, so it is showing me Apache NetBeans 15. So that is the latest release and it has been released on August 31st. So I'm going to install this. So just click on download button. And now here it is showing me binaries as well as the installer. So depending on your operating system you can select. I'm going to install for Windows. So I'm selecting this option, Apache NetBeans 15's Windows x64 exe. Okay, it has redirected me to this page and we have to use this link for download. So let me hit on this link. Okay, so my download of Apache NetBeans has been started. The file size is 435 MB. We'll wait for download to complete. Okay, so download of Apache NetBeans is done. Now I'm going to click on this exe to start my installation process. So it is asking me permission. I'm going to click on yes button. Okay, let me minimize this browser. Okay, so the installation process is started. It is showing me message that NetBeans IDE will install following runtime packages. So Java SE, Java EE, HTML, PHP, and if you don't want to install any of this, you can just click on this customize button and deselect this. So I'm not deselecting anything, I'm just keeping the default one, and let me click on next button. Here it is showing me license and agreement. I'm going to check mark this. I accept license and agreement and just click on next button. Okay, now here it is showing me the installation directory for Apache NetBeans. So it will be installed in C:program files NetBeans 15. If you want to change this path, then you can click on browse button and browse the directory where you want to install. And here you can see it has detected my Java JDK, hence I installed JDK first. If in your machine you are already having Java JDK, no need to install JDK, you can directly switch to the steps of installation of Apache NetBeans. So now I'll click on next button. Okay, so here I'm just unchecking this, check for updates, and click on install button. Okay, so the installation has begun. We will wait. Okay guys, so my installation is completed successfully. I'm going to click on this finish button, and you can see it has created shortcut on my desktop. Now let's quickly create one Java program using this ID. So I'll just start this ID. Okay, my ID has been started. So this is the welcome screen, startup page. So I'm just going to cross this startup page, and here I'm going to click on file menu, new project, and now here I'm going to create a simple Java application just to show hello world. So I'm just taking Java with and from categories, and from project I will select Java application, and let me click on next button. Okay, so since we have started first time, so finding feature, it is going to take a while, so please wait. Okay, now here it is asking me project name, so I'm going to give my project name as hello world, and here it is asking me project location. If you wish to change, you can change, so I'm just changing it. I'll just click on this browse button, and on my desktop I have CS corner folder, so I'm just selecting this folder. And then here it is showing me option that create a main class. If you check mark this, it is going to add public static void main to your hello world class. So I want that class, so I'm just checking it. Just click on finish button, and here you can see the directory structure. I'm having hello world as my project name, and this is what package name, the same name it gives to your package. And since I have check mark on create main class, so it has created hello world class also. Also it has added public static void main method, and under this library it will show you your Java JDK. So here it is showing me Java JDK. Okay, so now I am going to quickly type one simple statement for printing one simple message. So I am just deleting all these comments. Okay, so the font size is very small. I will just increase the font size. So go to tools, option, and here you can go to font and colors, and here you can increase your font size. So I'll just take 18. Okay, so my font size has been increased. Now I'm going to type a simple message. So for that I'm going to write S out, and I'm going to press tab button. So it has generated system.out.println line, and here I can print my message. Here I'm going to simply type a message, thanks for watching. Okay, so now let's run the program. To run this program, we have several ways. You can right click over here, you can select the option run file, or you can press shift F6, or you can click on this option, or you can go to run menu and you can select this option, or you can right click on your Java file name and select run file option. Okay, so now you can see it is showing me message, thanks for watching. As expected, it is showing me my output. So simple to create. One thing I would like to show you, suppose you are not checking that option create main Java file. So what you can do, you can click on your source package, and here you can click on new, and here you can provide a Java class. So just select this Java class, and then here you can give the name as hello demo. Okay, and then if you want to put it into package, you can just provide your package name. So my package is already created, I'm just selecting that, or you can type if it is not created and just click on finish. So here also my Java demo has come. Now it is not having main method, so I'll just type psvm and I'm going to press tab. So it has generated main method. I'm going to type sout, and here I am going to type my message hello, and I will run my program. So let's run this. Okay, so you can see it is showing me my output hello. So this way you can install Apache NetBeans IDE 15 and you can run your first Java program. I hope guys this video has helped you. If yes, then don't forget to hit on like button. And if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box. I will surely try to reply to your queries. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I have created lots of video on Java topic. You can just explore my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I will see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.